Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you some cards that I made. I pulled out the June 2022 SheetLoad of Cards template. This is from Alicia, who is Call Me Crafty Al here on YouTube, and it makes a joyfold card. I made 16 cards. I was inspired by the sketch, and then I pulled out, whoops, I've got a little avalanche over there. I pulled out a paper pumpkin kit called So Cool, and that's from April 2021. And I actually have two kits in this box. I was combining my doubles into one box so it would take up less room. So the kit makes some shaped cards. I actually did not use any of the shaped cards. I did use some of the envelopes to get the designer paper from the inside. I did use the stamp set. I used You Are So Cool, Hey There, which I cut apart so I could make it horizontal. I used the watermelon stamp and the frozen ice cream stamp. And then I used, each kit came with 2 sheets of stickers, so I had 4 sheets altogether, and I used up all of these stickers. I still have these 4 left for another time. And then the kit came with some yellow twine, which I did not use. It came with some labels, which I used all of the horizontal ones. And it came with some of the silver glitter pieces, and I used most of those. I still have, where did they go? I still have a few pieces left for another time. So anyway, let me show you the cards that I made. Well, before I do that, I guess there's a couple other items. I pulled out Ice Cream Corner, which was a designer paper that coordinated with this paper pumpkin kit. And also I discovered that Very Delightful coordinated with the strawberry in the sticker sheet. And then I used, besides the sentiments on the stamp set that came with the paper pumpkin kit, I also used from Sweet Ice Cream, You're So Cool, and a really old set called Fruit Basket, I used You Are the Sweetest. So let me move that out of the way. I made 4 sets of 4 cards. And so this one I adhered the strawberry to the silver glitter circle and popped it up with dimensionals. This paper is from the Very Delightful collection. And these are the different patterns from that collection. And then here's where I used You Are the Sweetest for the sentiment. So I've got 4 of those, and those are all identical. I have 4 of this one, and again I popped up the sticker with dimensionals and used one of the silver, I don't know, scalloped edge circle, I guess you'd call it. And then these papers were from the Ice Cream Corner set. This was from cutting one of the envelopes apart. And then You Are So Cool is from the paper pumpkin kit. So I've got those 4, and I believe all of those are the same. And then I have 4 cards using the watermelon sticker, which is popped up with dimensionals. And 2 of them say Hey There. I stamped and paper pieced the watermelon from some of the designer series paper. And then 2 of them say You Are So Cool, again with the watermelon on the inside. And then I have 4 of this one, that says "You are so cool." And this time the entire element here is popped up with dimensionals. And then this piece and this piece are from one of the envelopes. And then here was another popsicle sticker or ice cream sticker. So I've got 4 of those. So 16 cards total, inspired by the SheetLoad of Cards for June 2022, which makes a joyful card. And then also using up, well, not using up the entire Paper Pumpkin kit, but using up a good portion of 2 Paper Pumpkin kits. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.